day 10, I believe. 9 or 10, I'll put it at the top. I think it's 10. And today you know how you just don't want to come out some mornings. I felt a little congested. I took some of my Oxymel and came on out, maybe from spending the days out here in the rain and stuff, but I just couldn't get my day started. So they just fighting this morning, I'm sorry. So I just decided to just step on outside and see what happens. And once you get out here, usually you can get going. So today I'm not going to do a lot. I just want to get my seed a day, challenge for the fall. So this morning I wanted to work on some onions, and whenever I do onions, I usually stick garlic in because those are the things that, basically for me when I'm planting go hand in hand. So I'm going to do a few onions. I already got some onions growing. I'm going to concentrate on quick growing onions, probably like the scallions. I already put some thyme in. That, to me, that goes in the onion family. And some green onions, you could chop them up and sprinkle them over the top of things. And I'm also going to put long term because if I get them started now, they'll be ready summertime. That's how long onions take to bulb. So bulbing onions and bunching onions. I'm going to do both. I'll take you inside the greenhouse, and I'm only probably going to do one pot because I got a lot of them already growing, and I like to just go in and here and there plant onions in all different pots, and garlic the same way. I just put them in every pot that I basically plant. So they're all over the garden, but I want to concentrate on them in just one pot. So I'll have... Okay, guys, I am done. I hope I didn't get any mosquito bites because they are definitely in here flying around. Anyway, here is my onions, and that is evergreen bunching onions. I also found some Malabar spinach, and I dug it up and put in there. It wasn't on my plant list, but I found it, and you always finding good things in the garden, so when you find them, you use them, okay? And I bought that Malabar spinach years ago because the health food store is closed. It's been closed for a couple of years now, so I bought that, but it came back up and it was inside the Gynura. So I pulled it up from down there and I put it in its own pot. Okay, and these are the rest of my onions, and ooh, I see something got in this one. Yeah, baby, I know something's in there. But I just wanted to sit them all out to see how many onion and garlic plants I had, and that is what I got. So that's that's ginger. That don't even belong over here, honey. And I plant in all different pots. I'll plant chives, onions, scallions, or whatever I could find in the allium family. I'll just put them in different pots of things that I'm planting. Okay. So the other thing I did was the sweet potatoes, and I put them in a bag. This is the one I had from before. So again, that succession planting one after the other, and hopefully I'll have a continuous harvest of sweet potatoes. This is what my chores for this morning. I did take down the hummingbird feeders. I'm gonna do one at a time because I want one to be there, when they come. I don't want them to not be able to get some nectar. So that is it, my chores. I hope I can keep this up, guys. This is day 10 and I'm tired. But I will see you tomorrow, hopefully, God willing. And I wish you guys love and light. And remember, a plant a day will give you a bountiful harvest. Peace and blessings.